Hey everybody, Shansonette here. I am doing carnivore to see if it's going to help with my myalgic encephalomyelitis, chronic fatigue syndrome. And it will be 90 days on the 30th. I just wanted to, I'll give you an update then, but I just wanted to share the difference between my food supply and my daughter and grandchild's food supply. So this is what I'm up against as a carb addict. So let's see. Ooh, jumbo jet puffs. This is all the baking stuff. Yeah, lots and lots of carbs. Ooh, there's some potatoes. Tortilla chips, ever so healthy couscous, rotini, club crackers, honey. Now, this gave me some problems. Oh my God. Last week, or the week before, when I had I gave in to some wine cravings, which I talked about in my last video. And then I had some binge, like sugar binges, that same evening as a result. Okay, Italian bread, Cheetos, Pringles, this, muffins, cookies, more cookies, French bread, chemical soup, spaghetti. Okay, so anytime I open this cupboard, that's what I find there. And I'm not going to discuss how concerned I am about this dietary habits, because if you're carnivores, you already know. And I live in a multi-generational household, and it's not my place to preach at people, and they know anyway how I feel about it, but okay. So this is Grandma's food right there. Ooh, ground beef. And this is ribeye. Yummy, ribeye. And then these eggs, these are mine. And then a little bit of cheese in here and the bacon. Okay, that's my food. Oh, Organic Valley. I am doing a little bit of kefir. Oh, and here's my butter. Yum, yum. It's my butter. Doing a little bit of kefir, but I just listened to Dr. Bright on Steak and Butter Gang, and she said, rightly so, that the microbiome for carnivores is completely different than the microbiome that they make that stuff for. So here's more DiGiorno, deli mix, thick and fluffy. These are all, this is considered dinners, meals. Here's my bones, the bone broth. Here's my rat pups from my boa constrictor. He's a carnivore. And then here's some salmon I get from a local salmon guy who goes out every season and brings back wild caught salmon. And what else? I think I might have one more thing of frozen ground beef in here. I think I do. Oh yeah, here it is. See? Some more frozen ground beef. So that's pretty much it. That's the difference. I think it's kind of astonishing. Anyways, welcome to our home. I love you guys, and I'm going to be posting. Here's Schlick. Hi, Schlick. Hey, Booba. I'm going to be posting a 90-day video with pretty really astonishing results. So look forward to that. I love you guys, and meet on.